Hey everyone, my name is Carlo and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at ShipIt Global. So this is, I believe it is part 4 of this series, Random App Making. And today we'll be working on mostly the purchase prepaid label. So the login to my account will I'm not really expecting that we would work on it on this video, but on the purchase prepaid label, I'm pretty sure we should be able to finish it on time in this video. Not exactly sure. We'll see though. Alright, so on the last video, we worked on this page where we would, or mostly just the layout. So usually in a delivery company, they would ask for the personal information of the person or the from user. We'll just say that. So let's go ahead and make it like a little friendly for the user. Of course, you when you're making an app, you need to make it a little friendly and make sure that's easier to read and such. And there's not a lot of things that are coming up during the app. So we can go ahead and just type in welcome. And we'll just make the font size a little smaller. Now, sometimes the font size can go smaller or it can go larger depending on how the viewer wants to see the app. So I would be careful on the font. But since this text isn't that important, or well, it is, pretty much every asset that's in your app is important. But since this is just a welcome, then we should be fine. Alright, so don't forget to add that period there. Alright, so let's go ahead and add like a little headline or topic line. And we'll just put in, let's actually just make it a little more friendly. And there we go. Alright. So, usually what I like to do is I like to have a button here. Not to put on like the bottom or just to add as a placeholder or just to have like a little spacing. Sometimes when you're designing designing freelance, then it kind of gets hard if it kind of looks a little weird when you view the app because you see this text box that's not really spaced out with this text box and the others are like spaced out differently. So I usually put like a button as a spacer. You don't have to keep the button, but it's nice to have like some kind of a tool to help you. Alright, so we want to, of course, ask the first name and last name. And we'll go ahead and put a star. On the next text box. Actually, we'll not add that. We're actually gonna add a drop down. All right. Okay, so on drop downs, they can get a bit of, well, depending on some users, I found it complicated or sort of complex. Sometimes when you were to, let's say, go back to a page, it would stay on that option that you clicked before or previously, and the user might have some trouble because they don't know whether uh, they should click it again or it's a bit glitched out. I'll show you later on this video, but probably making it a little confusing. But it gets a little complex at that point. When I first had to use the drop down, it got a little complicated because let's say you wanted it to act as the button, or instead of using buttons. I haven't really got the button idea back then. The drop down, you have to exactly get, or you have to do the exact text. It's sort of like a text box if you think about it. Like it has to get the exact text. So your code needs to have let's say hello, hi, I don't know, what's up, something like that. Including with the spaces, you need to copy this exact text and put it in your code. It'll make more sense when I start coding it, but just a little discretion. Alright, so we'll remove this button. We'll go ahead and just type in what is your current, or not address, what is, or where is the package being sent from. We'll just say that. The question mark, we can go ahead and expand the options, and we can go ahead and put residential, or oop, I didn't spell that right. Let's do that. And business. Alright. Let's go ahead and check that out first. Right, residential and business. Now, I haven't really figured it out, but the drop down will involve where is the package being sent from. So on your code, we're going to have to code it where if that option is still selected, we don't want it to keep going. So we're going to make it, we're going to block it from going to the next page until the person is able to click whether or not where the package is being sent from. Let's see here. I lost where I was. Oh, here it is, prepaid label. Alright, let's go ahead and make it a different color. Make it blue. And let's go ahead and add a star right here. Okay. Let's actually space it a little. Okay, so since I deleted the button, I don't know why I deleted it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and actually let's put a text area. This one is gonna say the address. So we'll put right here, address. And we'll put, actually we can't really put a placeholder on this one. Actually we'll use a text input. On the text area, there's not really a way to put a placeholder on here. You can put on your code where when you click the text area, it will clear everything inside it. But for there is a way where let's say you click the text area, anything inside it, you can tell it to clear, and it will clear. But then we would have to make it where it's going to be like a label. Let's say we were making like an error message. We make it where it says something and then it disappears. We're basically going to be doing that in the text area. You know what? Let's actually use the text area. Let's try that out. On the ID, let's make it a little easier since we're going to be putting more code on here. So we'll just do address and then underscore from. Okay. Make sure that the read-only is not checked, otherwise the user can't enter his address. Actually, we'll put on here, what is your address? Go to center. Actually, let's just use a text input just for simplicity. What is your address? By the way, if anyone is viewing the code or viewing this app, please don't enter any personal information. Please note. Code.org also gives you a discretion saying don't enter any personal information. Don't. If I do, I will delete it, and I will not use it. But just enter mumbo jumbo. Don't enter real information if you're just demoing the app out. Okay. So we went ahead and provided a first and last name for the user, where's the package being sent from, and what is your address. We can go ahead and actually, so we're gonna make it where ShipIt Global doesn't have an office. We'll pick it up for them, because at ShipIt Global we make it simple, right? So we'll go ahead and or actually, yeah. Trying to figure out what else you would need. Oh, well, no, that would be in the packaging information. But let's go ahead and add like a notice on here. So we'll put and we'll change the font size. ShipIt Global is that's not how you spell it. It's sorry, grammar issues. ShipIt Global is an international business, international logistics business. Man, I cannot spell. Alright. ShipIt Global is an international logistics business specializing in package delivery. And we'll just say to more than what will ShipIt Global be available on to? Let's do it from the Alright, let's do it from the Philippines, United States, and Canada. Well, yeah, those are mostly the only countries I've been to. So we'll do ShipIt Global is an international logistics business specializing in package delivery to more than 2 countries. To more than 2 countries. Man, I'm giving ShipIt Global a bad name. We only to deliver to certain countries. Please click on the country of delivery. The country of delivery you wish to send to. And we'll go ahead and make it a little right here. Too small. Alright. So we'll add a little bigger space on here. And then right here, we'll put which country are you? Which country are you delivering to? We'll put United States. of America, Canada, or Philippines. Okay. Actually, on here we'll put street, city, and zip code. Or state and zip. Okay. Now, I'm probably gonna get comments about, oh, the Philippines has maybe, or Philippines or Canada, or someone's probably gonna complain and saying like that's not how we write our addresses. This is a fake app. We're not. This is just random app making. No stress about it. I'm going to center that. Okay. So let's make it the same color. You don't want it green all the time. There you go. Okay. And we'll put a star here. Okay, and that should be enough information actually. Oh, here's a fun fact about code.org. When you are clicking to the data tab, you might notice that something might change. Just go back to the design, and if it still stays like that, just leave it. I found that the hard way, and I thought it actually didn't save anything. Don't worry, you're fine. Okay, not accounts. That's kill switch. Prepaid labels. Oh, wait a minute. Why do I have two sections? Alright, prepaid labels is the location from and location to, name and number. But tracking's different. I'm going to delete the prepaid labels. And I'm just going to use the tracking. That'll work. Okay. Probably going to regret it. Okay. So, we do have the name. We do have the name already. Where's the package being sent from? The original location. Oh, it's asking if it's residential. Or let's do option. And then we'll do, we'll just put residential. And we'll do business. Now, of course, the option part, not really needed. It's just to help the company. We'll just say that. What is your address? We have the original location. What country are you delivering it to? Country. And we'll put United States of America. And we'll put Philippines. We'll just say that. It's at the San Francisco warehouse. Alright. Okay. Now, here's another thing. If you're going to have a lot of options, be careful. You might get overwhelmed, or you might even forget something. So, slow down, and don't add as much. Don't add a lot, because even some of them you're probably not going to even use. But yeah, that's the data browser tip. Okay, we can go ahead and use this button. How big was it? A little bigger. And we'll go ahead and add some text. So I've finished my personal information section. Or you can just put submit, either one. I just want to make the app a little more simplified. Okay. We'll use the same color. If you guys don't like using the background color, I do recommend just using a hexadecimal color chooser online. Sometimes you can probably even tweak it and get more and get colors that you would choose. So, bit of a tip also. Okay, so went ahead and added the I finished my personal information section. That's great. Cool. So we can go ahead and duplicate this, and then we can go ahead and type in great. We're almost there. Just tell us who's getting it. And we can go ahead and make the font size a little smaller. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's see. Did we not put a prepaid label? Okay. Prepaid label underscore 2. Alright. Okay. Adjusting it to. Okay, so since ShipIt Global is such rebels, we are not gonna add who's getting it. I know we are such rebels. Actually, no. Let's make it more professional. Name underscore 2. We'll put Johnson B, and then we'll put Mike. Alright, so Mike and Johnson B is getting their packages. Great. Alright. So we have the name and the name too. Just tell us who's getting it, first and last name. We're not gonna type that in. We are gonna ask for the address though. And I did forget how this layout was gonna be. And what else is it asking? That actually should be fine. We'll just move it up here. Okay. And we'll put I finished who is getting the package. Alright, great. We'll go ahead and we'll actually use the regular prepaid label, duplicate that, and then go ahead and do prepaid. Nope, that's not how I made it. That is how I made it. Okay, cool. Prepaid label underscore 3. Okay. Let's see how we did it here. Alright. So we'll just say tell us about your package. Alright. Let's see here. Original location, address to. Okay, we're gonna say something on the rank. Let's go ahead and create that button and put that right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and make it a little smaller so it doesn't interfere with this. Alright, and then we're gonna say ShipIt Global has many delivery options to choose from. choose from. You know, Shipit Global is very nice. So we're just gonna have a flat rate fee. Or actually, let's change this. Shipit Global has many delivery options to choose from. We only deliver packages up to 10 pounds. 10 pounds. 10 pounds to choose from. We charge flat rate fees. Rate fees only. We charge flat rate fees only depending on the option to choose from. Okay. We'll use the same text box and we'll use this button. Okay. Actually, no, let's do that and do that instead. Alright. So we'll put delivery options. Okay, and on here we have, of course, 1-day shipment and priority. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll put shipment options or domestic in USA. Okay, and then we'll put 1-day shipping, and that will cost, we want to be cheap, so $15.99. And for all those that don't really deliver, $15.99 is I would say it's decent. And then we'll do priority shipping, or we'll just put 2-day or 3 days. Make it easier for the delivery carrier. We'll put it to $9.99. Yeah, I gotta say, these are okay prices, especially since we don't offer insurance. Alright, so let's go ahead and put how much dashes did I put? 3, 4, 5. And put international out of USA. One-day shipping. We'll put $25.99 with insurance. I'm nice. And priority 10 days shipping. We'll put $19.99 without insurance. Okay. Now, store, what's the weight of your shipment? Now, and then we'll put here, ShipIt Global complies with federal law. complies with federal law in accordance with safety, with the safety of our pilots and delivery employees. Alright, ShipIt Global complies with federal law with the safety of our pilots and delivery employees to get your package there. We ask that you we ask that you not, we're not going to give an option on declaration on lithium-ion batteries. So we're just going to say we ask that you not deliver any lithium-ion batteries or anything posing a danger to our employees. There is no declaration at this time, or there is no, or sorry, well, we prohibit the use of delivering. We prohibit the use of delivering anything posing a danger and lithium-ion batteries included, except the use of delivering small electronics. Please contact ShipIt Global customer services for more information. Okay, let's go ahead and please contact ShipIt Global customer services for more information. And period. Cool. All right. We'll go ahead and put actually we'll put it text or drop down. Okay. So with does your package fulfill the requirements? And then we'll just put yes, no. Okay. And we'll just put I finished the package information. I finished the package information requirements. Yeah. Okay. After that, then we should be able to just duplicate it from there. And then we can just actually put a finish. Prepaid underscore label. Is that how I did it? No. Prepaid label underscore 4. let's do great. Thanks for choosing ShipIt Global. We forwarded, or actually, yeah, great. Thanks for choosing ShipIt Global. We forwarded a information regarding your shipment to our company. We'll be expecting your package very soon. And I just realized there's no contact information, so we'll go ahead and put it like enter your email here. Enter your email here for payment and labels. For payment and labels. Yeah. Star. And then we'll just do submission. Alright, cool. And then we should be done with the prepaid label section. All there is now is just to code it. I'm gonna cut it off though. We did finish the purchase prepaid label. We just haven't done the coding yet, but that should be in the next video. Okay, well, I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.